I am excited to welcome the class of 2024. 2024 seems like a long way away, but it will be here soon. I encourage you to make the most of it. Take care of business first. Be involved, but take care of your coursework from the get-go. Play get ahead, not catch up with your grades. Be involved. Take healthy risks. Try out for a play, join clubs, run for an officer position. Most people regret what they didn't do in high school, not what they have done. It's all about respect. Respect your teachers, your classmates, other students in the school, but most important of all, respect yourself. Make sure that you are the best person you can be. By doing this, you will make others better. Be a leader in your school. Here's a final challenge for you. Go take a look at yourself in the mirror and envision the person you want to see and you want to be in 4 years. Now go and make that person happen. Best wishes, class of 2024. You will make a difference in our world.